This program asks us to try all of the different ABCD and figure out ABCD where two conditions are satisfied. These four numbers are within 1 and 200, and the ABCD AB equal C plus D. Definitely, given that we have such a range, then we can just make use of them to generate our different for loops. So we can create 4 for loops, every one of them is between 1 and 201. And after that, we just check if A plus B equal C plus D. If this is true, we add 1. If you try to run this program, it will be very slow. Now, according to what we learned, we might be able to get rid of this last for loop here. The idea is we can compute the value of D from the equation. The equation is A plus B equals C plus D. This means that D by itself is same as A plus B minus C. So we are computing the D from the equation. And after that, the remaining is to make sure that this is actually valid D. If it is valid, we just add it. That's all.